In today's fast-paced digital economy, your website is no longer just a digital brochure. It's your 24/7 salesperson, your brand's first impression, and the engine that drives your business growth. If you are not treating your online presence as a primary asset, you are likely leaving massive opportunities on the table. Think about how much time people spend on their screens compared to looking at billboards or flyers. Your website is where the conversation begins, and it is where trust is either built or lost in a matter of seconds. For any modern business, the digital landscape is the primary battlefield for attention, and having a professional home base is the first step toward winning that battle. Imagine having a stunning storefront in the busiest part of town, but the doors are jammed and the lights are off. That is exactly what an outdated or non-responsive website does to your business every single day, costing you leads and revenue while your competitors thrive. You wouldn't let a physical shop fall into disrepair while customers are walking by, so why let your digital storefront become a barrier to your success? It's time to ensure that when a customer arrives, the experience is seamless, fast, and welcoming. A broken link or a slow loading page is the digital equivalent of a closed sign on your front door when you are actually open for business. This is where Mukwood Digital steps in to bridge the gap between your vision and your digital reality. In this deep dive into their web design and development services, we are going to unpack exactly how they transform underperforming or non-existent websites into high-performance lead machines that actually work for you. Mukwood isn't just about making things look pretty, they are about strategic growth and technical excellence. They understand the unique challenges faced by small businesses and creators who need a professional edge without the massive corporate overhead. By focusing on results-driven design, they ensure that your website serves a clear purpose, growing your brand and increasing your revenue. At the heart of Mukwood Digital's philosophy is the belief that small businesses and creators shouldn't have to settle for cookie-cutter templates that don't convert. Instead, they focus on building fast, mobile-friendly WordPress websites and custom front-end projects tailored specifically for coaches, creators, and small business owners who are ready to scale. A generic template might get you online, but a custom-tailored strategy gets you noticed and builds authority. It's about creating a unique digital environment that reflects your specific brand voice and values, ensuring that you stand out in a crowded marketplace rather than blending into the background of identical designs. One of the most critical aspects of the Mukwood platform is the heavy emphasis on mobile-first clarity. This is absolutely vital because over 60% of web traffic now happens on smartphones and tablets. If your site doesn't load instantly or look perfect on a handheld device, you've already lost the sale before it even began. Modern users are impatient, and Google actively rewards sites that prioritize the mobile experience in their search rankings. Mukwood ensures that your site is as powerful, readable, and functional on a 5-inch screen as it is on a 27-inch monitor, capturing every possible lead regardless of how they find you. Mukwood Digital doesn't just jump into coding blindly. They follow a rigorous, transparent 6-step roadmap that ensures success for every project. This journey starts with discovery and planning, where they get deep into your specific goals and your target audience. They want to know exactly who you are trying to reach and what specific action you want them to take once they arrive on your site. By defining these parameters early, the entire development process is aligned with your business objectives. This ensures that the final product isn't just a website, but a functional and powerful tool designed to solve your unique business problems. The second phase of the Mukwood process is design, where they use your real content rather than standard lorem ipsum filler text. This ensures you see exactly what your visitors will see during the development phase. Most agencies design with placeholder text, but Mukwood knows that content dictates design, not the other way around. By using your actual words and images from the start, the design becomes a true and accurate reflection of your unique message. This approach allows for a much more realistic preview of the user experience and helps refine the flow of information before a single line of code is written. This specific design philosophy has a significant psychological impact on your potential clients. When a visitor sees a site that feels cohesive, intentional, and tailored to their needs, their trust in your brand increases exponentially. It removes the friction of filler layouts and replaces it with a purposeful journey that guides the user. You can feel the difference when a site has been crafted around a specific message rather than forced into a pre-made box. Mukwood's goal is to make sure your audience feels that professional touch from the very first click, establishing you as a leader in your field. The third stage is development, where the technical magic happens behind the scenes. This is where the team builds your site using clean, secure, and flexible WordPress code. They prioritize speed and SEO from the ground up so that your business actually shows up on Google when people are searching for your services. They don't just build a site, they engineer a digital platform. Using industry best practices in coding ensures that your site remains stable, fast-loading, and easy to maintain as your business grows and your needs evolve, providing a solid foundation for all your future marketing efforts. Speed and SEO are not just technical buzzwords, they are the lifeblood of digital visibility and user retention. A slow-loading site is a high-bounce site, meaning people leave before they even see what you offer. By optimizing every image, script, and server setting, Mukwood ensures that your site stays in the good graces of search engine algorithms. This foundational work is what allows your content to be found by the right people at the right time. Without a solid technical base, even the best content in the world will remain invisible to the customers who are searching for exactly what you provide. Many people think that custom web development has to cost thousands of dollars. But Mukwood Digital shatters this myth with their accessible and tiered pricing packages. First, there is the starter package, priced at just 4,000 kwacha. This is perfect for those just beginning their professional journey who need a sleek landing page to plant their flag in the digital world. It's a low-risk, high-reward entry point into professional web design, giving you a high-quality online presence without a massive initial investment. It is the perfect way to start professionalizing your brand today. For those ready to establish more authority and provide more information, there is the growth package at 8,000 kwacha. This is specifically designed for multi-page authority, allowing you to showcase different facets of your business, a dedicated blog, or detailed service offerings. It's the ideal middle ground for established small businesses that need more than a single landing page but aren't quite ready for a fully custom enterprise solution. This package builds the necessary structure to support a growing audience and provides multiple conversion paths to turn visitors into loyal customers. Finally, there is this premium package for 12,000 kwacha, offering a fully custom design for businesses that need advanced features and comprehensive support. This is for the serious entrepreneur who needs a site tailored to complex requirements, perhaps including specialized integrations, unique interactive elements, or e-commerce capabilities. With the premium package, you aren't just getting a website, you're getting a complete digital strategy and a partner dedicated to your long-term success. It is an investment in a platform that will evolve alongside your business for years to come. We see this excellence in action through their real-world work with various industries. For instance, look at their project with Ubukia Foundation. They built a sleek, conversion-optimized presence for an NGO that needed to look modern, yet remain highly accessible to its clients. The result was a professional platform that perfectly matched the cutting-edge nature of the client's business while remaining user-friendly. This case study demonstrates Mukwood's ability to adapt their design language to fit the specific industry and technological demands of their clients, regardless of the niche. Another great example of their versatility is their work with Patrick Chulu legal practitioners. In the legal world, trust, clarity, and professionalism are everything. Mukwood blended elegance with functional navigation to create a professional digital footprint that reflects the firm's long-standing reputation. The site makes it easy for potential clients to find legal information and contact the firm directly, removing the barriers often found on complex or outdated legal websites. This showcases how strategic design can be used to communicate stability and professional integrity to an audience that values reliability above all else. You might wonder why Mukwood focuses so heavily on the WordPress platform. The answer lies in the empowerment of the client. They want to ensure that once the site is launched, you have the tools and training to take ownership of your content without needing a degree in computer science or constant help from a developer. WordPress is the world's most popular content management system for a reason. It is incredibly flexible, powerful, and user-friendly. Mukwood sets you up for success so you can update your own blog, change your images, or add new services with ease. The relationship with Mukwood Digital doesn't end when the publish button is pressed. They offer a robust aftercare and improvement phase to keep your site updated as technologies and security standards evolve. The internet is always changing, and a site that is perfect today might need technical updates in 6 months to maintain its peak performance. By offering ongoing support and maintenance, Mukwood ensures that your digital asset continues to appreciate in value and remains safe from emerging threats, giving you peace of mind while you focus on the daily operations of your business. Beyond just aesthetics, the technical backbone of their service includes built-in lead generation tools and precise conversion tracking with Google Analytics. They also prioritize top-tier security to protect your business from malicious attacks and data breaches, which is an often overlooked but vital part of the web development process. Knowing exactly how many people are visiting your site and what they are doing there is essential for making informed business decisions. Mukwood provides the data and the protection you need to grow your business effectively and safely in the digital age. What truly sets Mukwood Digital apart is their core motto: collaboration, not control. This sentiment is echoed throughout their client testimonials, which frequently highlight Mwenya Chongo's ability to listen to a vision, weave it into a high-quality product that reflects the brand's unique essence. They don't just tell you what you need. They work with you to discover the best solution for your business. This collaborative approach ensures that the final website feels like your own creation, reflecting your passion and your unique way of doing business. If your current website feels like a liability rather than an asset, or if you're a new creator wondering how to plant your flag in the digital landscape, the resources at Mukwood Digital are designed for you. They are built to take you from a place of confusion to a position of digital dominance. Investing in a partner who understands the local market while delivering international quality standards is the ultimate competitive advantage. Visit mukwooddigital.com today to book an appointment and start your journey from a simple digital presence to a true digital powerhouse.